Now, let me give you a disclaimer. I'm not teaching you to starve yourself. I'm not teaching you to not eat when you're hungry. I'm teaching you how to not even be as hungry as you are. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diamond, and if you don't know me, I'm Diamond. I lost over 60 pounds with the information that I'm sharing with you, and I'm here to help you lose weight and reclaim your health. So today's video is going to be how do naturally thin people forget to eat? Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to have the same metabolism as a naturally skinny person to where you can forget to eat just like they do. Now, let me give you a disclaimer. I'm not teaching you to starve yourself. I'm not teaching you to not eat when you're hungry. I'm teaching you how to not even be as hungry as you are. Because if you pay attention, people that are overweight are the most hungry and they eat the most food. And I'm going to explain why that is. So stay tuned, you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you're interested in this topic, and comment down below what you want to see next. So, have you ever wondered how a naturally thin person can just forget to eat? How can a naturally thin person just go about their day and have to remind themselves to eat lunch? Meanwhile, you're sitting here struggling, hungry first thing in the morning and trying to get yourself to actually stop eating and stop overeating. What's the difference metabolically between those two people? The kind of person that forgets to eat and the kind of person that can't stop eating. There's a difference metabolically. And if you're the person that is overweight that can't stop eating, I'm going to teach you exactly how to have the metabolism and the metabolic state of a naturally thin person who sometimes forgets to eat because they're just not that hungry. So, when it comes to overweight people that struggle with their weight, right? The reason why you are suffering with your weight is because of the kinds of foods that you're eating and the metabolic state that you are currently in. You are currently in a metabolic state where you are burning sugar as your energy source. And so the reason why you're so hungry is because you're not tapped into fat burning. You're not able to use your body fat as a source of energy. If you want to learn how to do that, my ebook is linked down below. It will teach you exactly how I tapped into fat burning to help me lose over 60 pounds and how you can do the same. This book has helped countless other people lose significant amounts of weight. It's over 65 pages, extremely thorough information. It took me over a year to learn this information, and I'm so happy to be sharing it with you guys. So, link down below if you guys are interested. But you need to focus on tapping into fat burning, okay? Changing your metabolic state to that of a naturally thin person. Naturally thin people who forget to eat, they are naturally fat adapted. Fat adapted means their body is naturally in a state of fat burning. And you want to be able to do the same thing. You want your body to be using your body fat as a source of energy and not using carbs and sugar to where you need a constant hit of more carbs and more sugar as your energy. That's why you're so hungry. And that's why you have so many cravings, because you need the carbs and the sugar for more energy, because you haven't taught your body to use body fat for energy. So the average slim person, right? The average thin person has over 70,000 calories of body fat that they can use for energy. So you never really run out of body fat to use for energy, even when you're tapped into fat burning, because even a thin person has over 70,000 calories of body fat that they can use as their energy source. So imagine how many calories of body fat you have on your body if you're overweight, right? You probably have hundreds of thousands of calories of body fat that you can tap into for energy. And that will help you have the same appetite as a slim person. That will help you not feel these constant insatiable hunger and cravings that you're feeling now. So, because these naturally thin people are fat adapted, like I was saying earlier, they can go a much longer time without eating because they are not dependent on sugar and carbs as their energy source. When you're fat and you're dependent on the sugar and the carbs as an energy source, you're going to have to keep eating. Your body's going to demand these carbs and these sugars for energy because it doesn't know how to tap into fat burning. It doesn't know how to use your body fat for energy. Okay, so you want to learn how to teach your body how to do that. Okay, my ebook will teach you how to do that. I'm also coming out with a meal plan for you guys, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be in my next video. I'm going to be sharing my January meal plan, so stay tuned as well because it'll be very, very helpful. And this is the issue with the typical diet advice out there when they're telling you to count your calories. They're telling you to count your calories, but that doesn't actually get to the root of the problem when it comes to why you are so hungry, right? They're just telling you to eat less calories, but they're not teaching you why you can't stop eating, why you have such an issue with these calorie deficits. You want to focus on getting rid of the insatiable hunger and cravings to begin with, so that you don't even need to count your calories, so you don't even need to think about how much you're eating. Okay. And one of the biggest ways to do that is watching your carb intake, watching your sugar intake. Okay. Make sure you're not eating so much sugar to where your body depends on that for its energy. Make sure you're eating a diet that is healthy, that contains whole foods, so that your body can tap into a state of fat burning and have the same metabolism and metabolic state as a skinny person. And it's actually much easier and more sustainable than counting calories. It's actually much easier and more sustainable because you don't even have the hunger to begin with. So you don't feel that sense of hunger or like you're depriving yourself, because you're not even that hungry anymore. I was once just like you. I was overweight. I was struggling to stop eating. I had such bad binging problems, and I felt like there was nothing that I could do about it. And now, with all the information that I'm sharing with you guys, I have to remind myself to eat, because sometimes I actually forget, because I'm just not hungry, because I've actually changed my metabolic state for the better. I want to teach you guys how to do the same. I want to teach you guys how weight loss can actually be so easy and so seamless. And you don't have to count anything. You don't have to count your calories. You don't have to do any of that when you're eating food that is nutritious and good for you. I want all of you to feel the same way that I do. Feel, confident in your body. Have a slim body. Have the body that you've always wanted. And, it doesn't have to feel like it's so much work. You just have to change your lifestyle for the better and eat foods that are actually healthy for you. If you guys want further information, definitely check out the description down below. I'm also coming out with a meal plan, so stay tuned for that as well. I really hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next.